Okay guys, so this is a electric, well, kind of fireplace, but it's meant to be mounted on a wall, made by NINGBO RICHEN. And this one fires up from the bottom right here. In both sides, it comes with a remote control, which would be one of these tiny things right here. And it's 1350 watts, around there. It's kind of meant to be that kind of fire and ice style. These are some kind of tumbled glass to make it look like rocks of ice. On the side here, you'll see on the picture, it has the physical switch on and off. It has a heater button and a flame button. And to change the LEDs, that it has two LED strips, one here and one on the other side, you would use the remote control for that. But today we're gonna check the actual heat output for 1 hour in this room, just like we did with the other heaters. And the temperature in the room is 76, as you see right there. Let me turn on the timer here. Okay, here's the timer. And we will do, just like we did with the other ones, 1 hour. And we'll see the temperature change in 1 hour and the kilowatts spent in 1 hour. And since this one fires from these two, I'm just trying to make sure I don't melt anything right in front of it, because this one fires quite a lot of air or hot air. So I'm gonna flip the switch really quick. And maybe you heard that beep. And now I'm just gonna turn on the heat itself. And there should be a tiny light on the middle there that comes on. And the fans and the heat should kick in a second. And now the heater is on. And we will leave it alone for 1 full hour and see where the temperatures get. And it feels really hot already just from these two blowers. Let me make sure all the wires are on the middle and anything vital is on the middle only, so nothing is on the way of the blowers. And we'll see you in 1 hour. Okay, the room is unbearable at 91 inside the room. This is... Okay, now this one is a different story. Just because this one here says 95, it's because it's closer to the heating unit, but the real temperature was 91 in the room entirely, and this is... Wow, okay, I'm blown away with this one. This changed the whole game here. None of the other heaters have done exactly what this one did, but let's see the damage now on the side of the kilowatt meter right here. And we are talking about... Oh, 1.1, that's actually nothing. Just shy of 1200 watts or 1.2 kilowatts. That is really something different. And I don't know what to say. I'm not sure if they even make this one anymore, but I'll try to find you something that's like this, or at least with the same build and all that stuff like this one here, so it can do a similar job. But I am blown away by this one. I did not expect the room to actually jump to 91. That's out of my head right now. And yes, as I told you before, if this remote that I have here worked, I would show you the LED lights on the sides, but I'll show you some pictures of it anyway. And let me just give you a rundown of the measurements. We are talking about 35.5 wide, and from the ground to the top, we're talking about around 20.5 inches. From the fire to the top is around 17 inches. And the depth, it's not that deep. The depth is around 5.5 inches. This is really a nice unit. It blows fire in both sides, as you saw here on the underside of it. And besides that, really, there's nothing much more to talk about it, except for the results that I showed you. It went 91 inside. That is mind-blowing to me. I did not expect that at all whatsoever. I thought maybe it will go 80 something and that's it. But 91? Okay, it's a 130 square feet room. It's not really a giant room, and these are supposed to go up to 400 square feet. But we sometimes know how it goes with these heaters. They say 400 square feet, but really go 200. This one might actually be a 400 square feet room, which that on itself is something completely a game changer. And with that said, I'll try my best to leave some sort of link to it, so you guys can go take a look at it for yourself. And with that said, I'm done for this video. I hope you learned something, and I hope you hit like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time with my very favorite heater that might actually make you laugh, but the one coming on next video is my very favorite. Please hit like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye!